Hello everyone, Karu here. I've updated my KaruPet game to 1.1 and 1.2 and I would like to show you some of the changes I made. First of all, there are now alerts for when a bar is depleted to 0. For example, hunger gets to 0. The page says your pet is starving. Same goes for bladder and fun. Your pet has become sick, and your pet has become depressed. If all three are at 0, you get a game over. And, well, as you can see, the sprite changes. There are 4 of these sprites. I'll talk about them later. Next in the changes, we have money generation system. So, what it does is that when you load the page and you start the game, you start making money. If any of the bars get to 0, your money generation stops. It's pretty slow at first, but there are ways to speed it up. So what you can do with the money, you can buy items at the item shop and at the boutique. Boutique. So there is now, as I showed you, a game over alert. There is also a winning alert that happens after you buy the cap, I mean the crown, but for the crown you need the cap, so those are static changes too. Aesthetic changes, you'll first notice the background. It's a strip background. I didn't know if I should make it pink or blue, and I decided to go with a kind of purple. And this is the first version that I showed you last time. The text has now a different font, some shadows. The item shop, the how to play, and the boutique have now backdrops, so with rounded corners, along as the title and the money display. There is also now a version changelog that shows you like the new things in this version. So now let me show you how to win at the game. You first start making the bars go up as your money gets up to 250, and also I'd like to explain what the items do. First one is chicken nuggets that, as you may remember, when your any of these bars get to 0, you can't like make them go up again by pressing the button. The solution for that is the items. Every item is tied to a stat bar. So, for example, chicken nuggets are tied to hunger bar. If your hunger get to 0, you can buy the chicken nuggets. What they do is add a 50 value to the bar, so it gets halfway up again and it starts depleting again, and you can fill it up by pressing the feed button. Same goes for medicine and antidepressants. The medicine is for the bladder and the antidepressants is for the fun. As for the boutique, there are 2 items for now. The first one is the cap, which increases income speed by 5 times. And the second item is the crown, which is valued at $1,000, 1,000 money. What that does is actually win the game. Both of the items have their own pet sprite. So I'll show you now. If I buy the cap, my pet becomes Winky. So if you look at the money right now, it started to go up faster. So we only now have to wait until we get to 1,000, so we can buy the crown. So we are almost there right now, and done. So with $1,000 we can buy the crown. If you click on it, the page says, "Congratulations, you win." Then your pet gets its gets its crown and it's all happy and you win, and the bars stop depleting. So that's how you win at KaruPet. For now, I'll leave the game as is because it's really a very simple game, but it's my first JavaScript project, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.